Then we'll be able to put all this back together. We are going to go ahead and chip out the two threaded fittings. I'll show you how I do that. We finally get to use my new vise, except it's still not connected to the truck. That's a whole different project. For right now, we just need it to be sitting in there so that I can, that's perfect. Now it won't move. Yep, fire. We'll just heat up the piece of plastic so that I can go ahead and unscrew it. We'll shut that dangerous thing off. And then I'll get in here. I don't know if you can see that because I hit it with some heat. It loosened up the threads. Now we're just going to loosen it up as you see here. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Oh, look at that. Only thing we hurt was the piece of trash that we're going to throw away. As you can see, the screwdriver did not go through the threads. It did not touch the threads inside of here. We'll get this piece out. We'll go ahead and apply the same technique to the other side of the backflow. Man, I'm loving this vise. I cannot wait to get the mount for it to put it on the back of my truck so that the vise itself doesn't move when I'm using it. It's still very useful to me today. We'll go ahead and put the Y strainer in there, nice and tight. We'll let this lean over and back with the fire. It's gonna create a little bit of fire. Don't breathe that stuff in, it stinks. Caught a big whiff of it just now. Where's my bigger screwdriver? We'll go ahead and get this one out. I'll get back with you when I got them both out. We got the second side out, nice and easy. See, when you heat that up, it makes that piece of plastic malleable and comes right out. Now we'll clean up these threads. We'll get some new male adapters. We'll get some new Teflon tape on here, rebuild the legs, and get this reinstalled. Grab my little tool kit here, clip it on. Now we're gonna copy these two pieces. I've got a piece of 1-inch pipe right here. So we have that. We're gonna need a couple of pieces of unions. These two right here. We're gonna need 2 elbows and 2 1-inch male adapters. There's the 2 1-inch male adapters. My elbows are in that basket up there. I have an easy to reach spot right here. The only other thing we're gonna need is some solvents. We'll grab this guy out right here. Now we'll start the process of copying each of these legs. They're basically the same, so let's make sure. It looks like they're about the same size. We'll go ahead and just copy one of them and then copy that. What do I mean by copy? I mean, pull out your pipe cutters. This piece of pipe right here, it's gonna be this long. We're going from the inside of the elbow to this line right here. I'm actually looking at that dirt mark right there, because that's where I'm gonna cut the pipe. Now this piece matches that piece. Now we just need to get the other piece. Let's go ahead and measure that one out. That one's gonna go to right about here. Because we're building 2 of these, let's just go ahead and copy this piece right here. So we have 2 of each. Well, there went all my pieces. Retrieved all the pieces from rolling down the street there. We'll go ahead and copy this other piece here, and then we'll begin the process of welding it all together. And it will look like this. This is what it'll look like when I'm done. Those are exact copies of what was here before. These are now trash. These can be installed into our backflow. Then we can go ahead and reinstall the backflow to start up the system after I rebuild it.
In the trenches, yeah, I take it in stride. Neighbors stare while I'm covered in grime, but sprinkler dudes here, right place, right time. Crawling in the dirt while the world keeps running. Pipes some quiet like a heartbeat drumming. You think it's messy, man, it ain't funny. This is how you earn real money. Dirty hands make clean money. Yeah, that's the only life I know. You can keep your shortcuts, buddy. I'd rather earn it hard and soul in the mud, in the rain, under every sun I stand. Clean money comes from these dirty hands. Blueprints crumbled in the back of my truck. Another split line, yeah, just my luck. But I fix it quick with sweat and grit. I don't have to, nothing I commit. Spray arc's perfect in a steady line. That's irrigation art, every job's a sign.